So my Boxycharm has literally been sitting in the corner. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So this is the FantaSEA. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting to try Beauty's Baker stuff. I always see it in Ulta and it's the cutest things ever because it makes you want to like bake a cake or something. So flour, and then it's in translucent. Packaging is gorgeous. The next thing is this FantaSEA whipped green, and I've been needing a new cleanser. This thing is huge. So it comes sealed, but it smells very refreshing. I love when I get lip oils in my box just because I never have to go out and buy them, and I'm always I always have these backup, so it's perfect. And this is what it looks like. And then I got a pen pal. Oh my god, these remind me when we were in school. Do y'all remember, guys? So it's a black eyeliner, a highlighter, a lip pencil, and a brow pencil. And then next is this Generation Skin eye pad. And they just look like